side, all ready to go. Departure this morning off runway 03. It goes out in a northerly direction towards Pretoria. Expecting a few right-hand turns to put us on course to Kruger.
Nice rifle, eh? Side of that. Yeah. That's minimum. I think you got it. Yes, those two shots are next to each other. How did that feel?
Good, alright, yeah.
So Alex, we basically down here at this is a new baiting site. So they put this impala up in the tree yesterday. So this is still quite new. So what the guys are doing now is they just putting up a trail cam so we can see where what is coming in here and if it is a leopard coming in. We haven't seen any spoor here yet, just a lot of elephant spoor and obviously just random, plains game, but we haven't seen any cats yet. So, but this bait's probably only going to come into action later this week in the next 2 or 3 days. So we'll just come check the trail cams and we'll take it from there. This is a good spot here. If we can, just that little tree in front here, get rid of that. Well, obviously depending on the wind, I mean we wouldn't be able to sit here now because of the winds.
Okay, this tree.
Yeah, just open this little gap up here, that dry branch, this a bit here, this one here, and then that thorn tree in front of it.
Be good to ride.
Cut that down.
Yeah.
I mean that'll work. We've seen a couple of hippo, but nothing shooter yet. We saw a cow and a calf coming out onto the bank. Nice big cow, but no shooters yet. We've had some close calls. Seen a lot of hippo spoor, a lot of elephant spoor, a couple of kudu spoor, but we still got about 2 k's to walk along this river, and then hopefully we get to the spot where the guys have been seeing them. So let's hold thumbs. Where's Alex? Jesus. Seems like we've lost Alex. I think Alex has been eaten by a leopard. So we've been sitting here all morning watching these hippo. We moved up about 2 k's, we came back and they're still hanging out in the same spot. Doesn't seem like they're going to come out. There isn't really a bank there.
Right, with these elephants, when the wind is on your direction, you'll be safe. Especially like what we did now. You see, the wind is blowing in this direction and they couldn't get our scent. So it means they didn't know that there is someone approaching to them. Even sometimes, I think we are going to learn on it. I just send them from a distance that there's an elephant here. There's a scent. You can smell them that there's an elephant. So if you don't disturb them, they'll be okay.
Yeah.
Mostly they don't attack when they are on the thick bush. They start, run away, and find a good place, then observe. That's when they come back to you. But mostly they run away because they are natural. Yeah, they are fear of people. If you see an elephant coming to attack you, it means this elephant has been attacking people before. That's what they behave. Yes.
So we're not walking into a group of elephants, you know, we're walking away from them.
We are walking away.
Yeah. No leopards were harmed in the making of this movie.